In today's video, I am going to share with you a simple method that you can use to start making passive income from this website. You can use this strategy no matter where you come from, and it's 100% free. Without any further ado, let's get into it. I want you to go to GearBest.com. This is an e-commerce platform that is similar to Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress. If you scroll down, you can find a bunch of products that range from watches to cell phones to laptops and so on. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Are we going to sell something on this platform? Or this is another video on how to start a drop shipping or Amazon FBA business? Well, no worries. You don't have to invest anything into this strategy. This is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms to buy electronics. If we check SimilarWeb, we can see that this platform is getting more than 18 million visitors every month. The visitors come mostly from Tier 1 countries. We will be promoting products as affiliate marketers. Well, keep watching, because I will show you that this website has insane commissions, which is also the reason we are using it instead of Amazon or AliExpress. I want you to scroll down to the bottom and click on Partnership Programs. You will be taken to this page. You can find some information about their affiliate program. You can join it for absolutely free and you don't have a sales target. You will get your payment no matter how many people you refer to this e-commerce platform. Whenever someone buys a product from this platform using your link, you automatically receive a commission. Just click here. On the next page, you can see that you can earn up to 50% commission from all products with your 30-day cookie, not just those you advertise. Amazon, for example, offers only 5% commission, and it could drop to 1% in some product categories. Just click on Join Now. You will be asked to sign up, which is a straightforward process. But how are we going to get traffic to our affiliate link? And how to make passive income using this strategy? Well, that is what I'm going to share with you in the coming video. There will be a lot of exclusive tips and tricks, so make sure to check it out. I will leave a link in the description box once it's released. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other money-making strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.